What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here. I received a package. I don't know if you guys saw the other video, but I ordered the RangeMaster pulley system. It arrived in the mail, so let's check it out. Let's open this up. Let me grab a pair of scissors, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it before you start using it. It's super simple, but it's worth creating a little video on it. Any door frames are probably going to be the simplest, safest way to do it. I'm going to set this so that you can see the top. Here is the package. Let's get it open. Here's the pulley system. I've been using these for years. They're so versatile and there's so many things you can do with it. The company is just outstanding. So here are the big differences between this unit versus some of the other units that are more of a discount unit. This is metal. The other ones are plastic. The other ones tend to break, and if you're really putting any pressure through that's always a concern for me. The build quality on this is just unmatched with some of the other lower cost units. So for a couple extra bucks, it's always worth buying a better quality unit. I like this strap far better than some of the other straps that go over the door, just because these don't bark up my doors. And so let's check it out. If we're gonna use it the traditional way, we open the door, we throw it over the top, we close the door, and now that is solid. That is not gonna go anywhere. I can pull on it as hard as I want. Unfortunately, if you're dealing with shoulder problems, you might not be able to get it over the top of the door frame. So an alternative is we put it in horizontal on the side of the frame. And if I don't have full range of motion overhead anyway, I want to start lower on the door frame and work my way up. I'm going to turn you guys around just a little bit, because the other option is we put it back here inside the hinge portion. Now, to me, this is the most secure. Like in residential construction, sometimes there's a little bit of gapping, sometimes there's issues, sometimes I'm afraid the door is going to pop open. So if I put it in here on the hinge side, it's got maximum security, it's the least risk. And then from here, I can obviously, I'm going to shorten this and I'll show you guys. So inside the handles, there are these little kind of shark's teeth. And what you do is you pull that through, you lock it in there, and now I've got a shortened handle. But basically, in the next video, I'll show you some exercises. You've got your standard pulley exercises that everybody in the world does. But then there's other ways to do this. We're going to talk about isometric exercise. We're going to talk about concentric, eccentric. We're going to talk about the importance of changing the chemistry in the shoulder. Exercise will provide chemical changes, and that's what we want to get into. So guys, check out the next video.